Hello, family. Welcome to our section, How Does the Program Work? Now that you are here, I'm going to explain to you all the four sections that you will see inside of your platform. The first area is going to guide you with some questions and some support in this journey that you have chosen to follow. What kind of things you can do with your children, why you are doing it, and what your goals are will depend on how you work this program for you. Now, the sections are, the first one is going to be for only Spanish speakers. The music that we're going to be singing, the activities that we're going to be singing are directly targeted for those who speak and understand the language. Now, this part is going to be, you will see the videos with thumbnail that is kind of greenish, bluish color. All those 20-some videos are going to be only in Spanish. The next section, you will have a bilingual kind of class where the music and the explanation is going to happen for those of you who do not know exactly what the whole music or the class is about, okay? So those are very short videos designed for your child and for yourself to understand the music we're going to be singing for the activity, okay? So those are going to have a purple thumbnail. All of those 20-some videos are have a purple thumbnail. Those are going to be a little bit longer because I'm using English and Spanish simultaneously. So you can get into the flow of, understanding what I'm doing. During these videos, I'm going to be using the technique of repetition. I'm going to be doing signing so you and your child can be working with me simultaneously. So I encourage you to be with your child during these videos so you are going to be doing and duplicating the same thing at home, okay? Those techniques that I'm applying during my classes are for you to duplicate and to follow with your children. Make sure you grab those ideas and you do it during the day, because then is when the magic happens. Now, once you have completed all these purple videos that are in both languages, then you will know exactly what they mean. Then you can transition directly to Spanish. And then you can plug and play the videos where we are speaking only in Spanish. By then, your child will know what we are saying, how we are thinking, and what I mean when I say escucha, repite, canta, okay? And the third part is going to be with yellow thumbnails. Each yellow thumbnail, there are going to be also more than 20-some videos. Each video is going to have an activity, a very short, nice activity that will support each lesson. For example, if we are talking about hola, we say hola with our hand, right? So we're going to have an activity with a hand swing. So what they will remember, that's what we do with hola, and they will be using this little hand swing to sing hola, hola, ¿cómo estás? Hola, hola. My idea behind the program is that we understand what we are doing, we recognize the words we are using, and we have a support, an activity that supports this learning. So anytime that your child will get that little hand, they will remember it's a link that we are placing into the brain, the activity with the music and the meaning. That with la mano es como decimos hola. With your hand is how we say hello. Okay, so each class is going to have an activity to support the music. That's the third part. It's going to be all yellow. And the fourth section is a bonus section. This bonus section is a collection of 10 books that I have read. Physically reading to your children. It's a story time in Spanish. And then we have an activity that is going to help with the fine motor skills for your child. We're going to be painting, we're going to be cutting, we're going to be gluing, and we're going to be listening the same instructions and the same commands over and over between each, among all of these books and among all of these activities. Because the key into learning something is repetition and consistency. That is why you will see me in each video saying exactly the same commands, saying exactly the same words, making exactly the same signings, because that's how I am helping your child to link and connect all of the sounds and the meanings. Okay? Might sound a little repetitive for you, but for a child, it is a key for the learning process. It's like when you are going to put your child to bed, you have a routine, right? You need to take a shower, maybe take a shower, jammies on, brush your teeth, read a book, good night, kiss. It's a pattern that you follow every single night, and your child knows that that's what happens and that's how it goes. It's exactly what I'm trying to duplicate here. So your child knows exactly the words that I say, the songs that I sing, the commands that I use, day after day, video after video. And you can unfold these anytime you want. Now, how I recommend that you use this program. I would recommend it because it's a repetition, right? I would recommend that you make sure you go over the video a couple of times. Let's say we work with Buenos Dias song. Watch the video and do the activity as many times as you want, so your child gets used to the song, gets used to the activity. Okay? Maybe do it twice, 1 week. The next week we do it again twice. You might work with 2 or 3 videos in a week if you want to, and then the following week work with another 2 or 3 videos, and then the third week go back to the first one. Because as many times as you do it, it is when the magic happens. It is said that it takes about 21 times of repeating the same thing over and over for a habit to settle into somebody's brain, mind, and life. So if you do it 21 times, then you're going to be sure that your child will not forget that class, will not forget those words, will not forget that song. Okay? So this is how the program works. This is what I have for you. And if you have any questions, please text me. And below this video, you will see a comment box. Just write it there, and I will be able to see any questions that you have. Okay? I hope this is helpful. And remember, you are always a click away, and I can help. Talk to you later. Bye.